Hello, it's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install NGINX on Ubuntu. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our terminal, and we're going to type sudo apt update to update our package lists, and then we're going to type sudo apt install NGINX. So now that we have NGINX installed, we need to check the status of it. So we're going to run system cdl status NGINX, and it should say active running. So now we can open up a web browser, and we're going to go to localhost, and it should say welcome to NGINX. And if you see this page, then NGINX is installed. So now we need to configure NGINX so that it actually shows what we want to do. So NGINX can actually do a lot of really cool things. We can have it act as a reverse proxy so that it will forward traffic to a different web server, or we could actually have it be our web server and host our static assets for us. But I'm going to show you how to use it as a reverse proxy so that it can forward traffic to other servers. So to do this, we need to go back to our terminal, and we need to type sudo nano /etc/nginx and nginx.conf. And you should see something like this. And we're going to take out these two lines. And this is because we actually want to put our own server config in here and override the default. So to do this, the first thing we need is a server block. So we're going to type server, and inside of this server block, we need to type listen 80, and this will tell NGINX to listen on port 80, which is the default port for HTTP. And the next thing we want to do is go down and type location /, and this tells NGINX to route everything behind this slash to this location block. And then we're going to type proxy pass, and we're going to set that to http://192.168.1.75:5500. And what this does is it tells NGINX to route everything under slash to this address. So then we're going to type semicolon, and next we're going to type proxy_set_header, and we're going to set that to host and $host. And this takes the host that is requested to NGINX and it forwards it to this address. And next we're going to type proxy_set_header, and we're going to type x-forwarded-proto, and we're going to set that to $scheme. And this will tell NGINX to forward the protocol, which is HTTP, to the application so that the application knows where it's coming from. So now we can just finish off this config by adding a closing brace. And now we're going to type Control X, and we're going to press Y, and we're going to press Enter. And now we want to restart NGINX. So we're going to type sudo systemcdl restart NGINX. And now we're done. So now we can go back to our web browser and we can refresh. And you should see NGINX forwarding all of the traffic from localhost to your remote server. So I can also add a /home, and it should say can't get home because NGINX is actually forwarding this to the other server, and the other server doesn't have a home path associated with it. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye!